Hey Richard, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I'd like to discuss Four Seasons landscaping, but before we get into that, I just want to talk a little bit about myself. I really enjoy working with small business owners and helping them grow and and with that being said, let's just get to it. I I pretty much I love how you what you did with your site. I like all the pictures and how they kind of pop here on Xeroscape and whatnot and you read more and it's overall a very good site. It's got some good content on here. But what Google really looks for on as far as content, which is number one we're going to talk about, is they really love about 1,500 words of content. So let's go ahead and see what you got here. Okay, we'll plug it in the counter here. Okay, you have 956 words. Not bad. Now let's look at your competitors and see what they got. Now, have you mind, your competitor is ranked number one. When I type in landscaping Colorado Springs, Colorado, and real quick, just kind of want to show you where we are at. We are at Four Season Landscaping, number 12. So you're on the second page, number 12. So now let's go back to your competitor site and let's see what they got. All right, so here's your competitor site, Timberline Landscaping. Now let's see how much content they are running here. You have more, looks like you have more content than they do. So let's take a look. You have 956. Oh yeah, they have 651. So you actually have more content than them. And like we discussed earlier, Google loves at least 1,500 words of content. Um, if you go over that, then it looks kind of spammy, or if you go too under, then it helps you rank lower. And so let's go ahead and look where we rank. So I have this tool, it's called Ahrefs, and I took the liberty and plugged in your website into here, and anybody can get this. I pay a monthly fee for this. So what this tells us is it pretty much tells us the trust of your site, which is the DR part right here, and then this is the strength. So what we want to really look for is, how much backlinks and organic keywords and everything are running through here. So basically, this is kind of where you stand right now. You have 551 organics on here, 148 backlinks. Now let's see what your competitors are running right now. You only have 205 organics traffic going through your site. So let's check on Timberland. So here's timberlandlandscaping.com, and wow, they got 224K backlinks, 8.3K organic keywords, and 5.4K organic traffic. Now, if we go into here and we click on the organic keywords, and this is what your competitors and why they're ranking on from all these keywords here that I mean, we have access to all these keywords and we can definitely plug them into your site. So basically, that's pretty much why they're beating you right now. Timberland also has, I believe, a more trusted site, but I mean, as far as that, we're not really concerned with the URDR part. We're concerned pretty much with the organics and backlinks and whatnot. So, um, but with that being said, we can easily take these guys as long as we have a lot more organic keywords, which we definitely can uh, input into your site as well. So yeah. So also you want to look at let's look at the map pack here. Let's get back in there. Sorry about that. There we go. All right, now when we type in landscaping Colorado Springs, Colorado, we come up with a map pack here, and this is another way that people can search for for your company. So right down here, we just discussed organics and how that works, and why your competition is pretty much ranking on the first page of organics. Um, so what I want to talk about now is the map pack area, and it's Google my profile for your business. And basically, it's kind of like a yellow page for your business. And as you could see, they're not even your competitors not even ranking on the top here. So definitely we can get you in there. So let's take a quick look. And no, I don't see them in there. Oh, they're right here. So they're ranked pretty low. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they're the 10th one down there. And I do not see us right here for. Oh, I do not see Four Seasons. So um, anyway, in a nutshell, that's pretty much kind of like this works here. They basically, in a nutshell, they this company right here, Landscape FX. I'm sure they saved, their profile correctly, excuse me, and they have more photos and whatnot on here. So basically, in a nutshell, that's all I have for you. This is free information, so you could do with it as you will. No harm, no foul. And I really hope that this information finds you well and it's useful to you. And with that, I hope you have a wonderful day. And hopefully, if you want somebody to look into this for you, I'll be glad to. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. My phone number is 505-331-7995. Again, that's 505-331-7995. Or you can reach me at my website, or excuse me, my email at scenicsparkseo@gmail.com. That is scenicsparkseo@gmail.com. Thank you, Richard, so much for your time, and you have a blessed day. Thank you.